Good morning, everybody. In previous class, we have seen that we need to prepare two more accounts: a profit loss appropriation account and a capital account. Right now, I am going to show you how to prepare profit loss appropriation account in this video. Okay. So profit and loss appropriation. So what do you mean by profit loss appropriation? We appropriate the profit. That means we distribute the profit which we have earned. Okay, and sir, you will come across with the two terms: appropriation of profit and a charge against profit. Sir, what do you mean by charge against profit? That you have to pay whether it is profit or loss. Suppose rent paid to the partner, rent paid, we have to pay rent. Suppose we are paying rent to partner also. This is we call charge against profit. This is a charge against profit. And what is appropriation of profit? We have to pay. We have to pay only if there is a profit. That means interest on capital, partner's salary, we need not to pay. We don't pay if there is a loss. In case of loss, we don't pay interest, partner's salaries, we don't pay. Okay, but charge against profit means we have to pay irrespective of profit or loss. Got my point? What is difference between appropriation and charge against profit? You can see over here also. Okay, sir. This is profit loss appropriation account. Right now we'll start. In previous video we have seen that we prepare profit and loss account, trading profit and loss account, and from this trading profit and loss account we get a result of net profit, and then these net profit transfer to profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, sir. So what is the journal entry for these transfer? We transfer these. This is what are the journal entry for this? Profit, we transfer profit to profit and loss appropriation account. This is journal entry. Sir, how come? Profit, net profit, you have earned net profit. Net profit means credit balance. This is basically credit balance. We transfer credit balance to another account. Understand one thing: to increase debit balance we have to do debit, and to decrease debit balance we need to do credit. And similar for the credit: to increase credit balance, credit it; to decrease credit balance, debit it. Okay, so net profit has which balance? Sir, debit balance, credit balance. So to credit, we have to cancel these amount, means we have to transfer these net profit from these account. I have to transfer to these accounts. So I have to cancel these amount because I have to take money from these. I have to take money, I have to take this profit from these account. So this profit has a credit balance, so I have to do debit so that it will get cancelled, so that I can transfer from here. So I'll write profit and loss appropriation account debit, and I'll deposit in credit profit loss appropriation account. That's why two profit and loss appropriation account. This is basically journal entry. These journal entries for transfer of profit. Okay, so similar way, if there is a loss, in case there is a net loss, sir, net loss has which balance? Sir, debit balance. So again, to cancel these, we are transferring net loss. So again, to cancel this, what we need to pass entry? This has a debit balance, we have to do credit, and profit and loss appropriation account will be debit. So profit loss appro account debit to profit and loss account. Okay, sir. Got it? Yes. Sir, second thing, interest on capital. Sir, what is interest on capital? Sir, partnership firm give interest on capital to the partner. That means this is an expense for the partnership firm. Okay. So interest on capital is an expense. Debit all expenses. So interest on capital account debit. To A, to B, we can say to partner. To partner. Interest on capital, we have to make a closing entry. Hope so you all are knowing closing entries. So again we have to close this entry. That means all nominal account, that is the all expenses account, we have to transfer in the profit and loss account. In this case we have to transfer in profit and loss appropriation account. So interest on capital will be transferred to profit and loss appropriation. Now again same logic, it has a debit balance. I have to transfer the amount from these account to profit loss appropriation account. Then these has a debit balance, I have to make it credit. And what will be the debit? Profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, sir. Sir, then what about interest on drawing? Sir, interest on drawing is our income. So generally what is journal entry? A, B to interest on drawing. A's capital, B's capital to interest on drawing. Okay sir. Right now for this also we have to pass closing entry. Yes. Then what will be the closing entry? Now interest on capital is a credit balance. Now to cancel this, what we have to do? Debit. So the what journal entry will be there? Interest on drawing account debit to P&L appropriation. Okay sir. Got the point? Yes sir. Similar way for salary and commission also you have to pass this journal entry. Again from this journal entry, hope you can prepare profit and loss appropriation account ledger, that is this is debit, this is credit, transfer of profit, we did it, transfer of profit, in loss account debit to interest on capital, see here it will come here by interest on drawing. Similar way to salary, to commission, to reserve, to profit transfer. A and B, if there is two partner A and B. This is a format basically you can prepare from here also.